Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Miss Gina Salma Rahayu. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine. Now we are going to study about animals. Are you ready everyone? Okay, look at this picture. We often find around us. What is it? Yes, it is a cat. It is an animal. Alright, students, repeat after me. Animals. Good, students. Today we will learn about the name of some animal. So we only take 10 animals. Help me to mention one by one. Listen to me and repeat after me. Okay everyone, first this is a picture of tiger. Tiger. Yes, good. Next, this is a giraffe. Giraffe. Okay, and then this is an elephant. Elephant. Great. Next, this is a lion. Lion. Good. Next, this is a cat. Cat. Okay. Next, this is a dog. Dog. Great. And then this is a mouse. Mouse. Very good. Next, this is a cow. Cow. Yes. And the next picture, this is a rabbit. Rabbit. Okay. And the last picture is goat. Goat. Yes, alright students, good job. Alright everyone, now let's watch and listen to the music video. Happy watching!
Hey boys and girls, can you guess what it is? Here we go. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a frog. It's a frog. It's a frog. It's a frog. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a goat. It's a goat. It's a goat. It's a goat. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a mouse. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a panda. It's a panda. It's a panda. It's a panda. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a tiger. It's a tiger. It's a tiger. It's a tiger. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a fox. It's a fox. It's a fox. It's a fox. Great job, boys and girls. Now it's your turn. Ready? Here we go. What is it? 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 is it? What 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 is it? Great job, boys.
After listening and watching to the music video, we will learn to asking about animals. To ask about animals, we can use this sentence. What animal is it? What animal is it? Okay, I've got an example here. To ask about animal in the picture, what animal is it? Look at the picture. Yes, it is a lion. We can answer here. It is a lion. Okay, I've got other example here. What animal is it? Look at the picture. Yes, it is a giraffe. We can answer here. It is a giraffe. Okay everyone, we'll move to the next material is asking about animal using yes/no question. The answer can be yes or no. For example, is it a rabbit? Look at the picture. The picture is rabbit, so the answer is yes, it is. Okay, here are other examples. Is it a dog? Look at the picture. The picture is cat, so the answer is no, it is not. Okay everyone, today we have learned about number 1, some vocabulary words of animals. Number 2, listen and watch music videos about animals. Number 3, asking animal using what and yes/no question. Asking about animal using what, for example here. What animal is it? It is a cow. And for asking about animal using yes/no question, for example here, is it a mouse? Yes, it is. Alhamdulillah, that's all our material for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.